Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Youyang Hu, and I'm an artist and also a doctoral student at the University of Tokyo. So today I'm very happy to be here to present our work, Lucid Dream, sensing and artistic representation of plant-nature interaction based on plants' biosignals. So this work was done in collaboration with Chiaochi Chou and Professor Yasuaki Kakehi. Okay, at the beginning, I would like to provide a brief introduction to this work. So Lucid Dream is an artwork that allows humans to immerse themselves in a simulated environment where they can perceive the natural environment through the perception of the plants in a forest. And the background of this work is based on the advance of modern science, which enable us to detect the physiological states of organisms through biosignals. And in the early days of bioart, artists began to integrate this technology into their creation, and displacing the biofeedback into artistic practice and exploring another expressions of the human beings. And later, an artist also began to apply this practice to non-human organisms. By analyzing the biosignals, artists explore the subjective experiences of other creatures and alternative ways to define the relation between the humans and the other creatures. So to advance this field, we focus on utilizing the intelligent computing system to analyze the biosignals of plants in response to the environment, and displacing it into artistic practice. We aim to guide the humans to perceive and the environment from the perspective of the plants, and also establish new connection with the natural world. So starting in 2017, we launched the Biosignal series. And in our first solo exhibition, we created a semi-closed ecosystem where plants combined with biosensors are able to perceive, metabolize, and react to the environment element. And the cyber plants dominate the machines in the artificial space, regulating the environmental conditions and creating artistic expression. And we also created an artwork in botanical gardens. It consists of multiple plants, hybrid sensing units, combined with biosensors. The work can perceive its surroundings and convert them into spatial informations by analyzing and sharing the biosignals through the network. So this work enables humans to enter the perceptions and network and hear the surroundings that the plant sense through the generated sound field and based on the biosignals. So following this creative lineage, in Lucid Dream, we want to explore the biofeedback of plants in response to the nature environment in a wide forest, and project it into the indoor space so that humans can directly feel the nature as perceived by plants in the wide space. So to achieve To achieve this concept, we divide this work into three parts. And there's inspection, displacement, and representation. So to begin, we develop a supervised learning system that can analyze the biosignals of plants in response to the environmental stimuli in a forest. And based on this system, we build an environmental control space within a gallery where nature elements perceived by the plants are simulated based on the sensing data. As viewers step into this space, they engage with the natural plants from a non-human perspective, and also allowing them to personally experience the natural perceived by these plants. So in the inspection stage, we first develop a bioamplifier that can detect the biosignals of the plants. We focus on mimosa, which known for its high sensitivity of the environment and commonly used in the bioelectrical signaling research. And the bioamplifier is mainly composed of two integrated amplifiers. And there's two electrons that connect the bioamplifier to the plants. And one reference electron was inserted in the soil, and one AgCl electron was placed on the plant's pervinus with conductive gel, and the raw signal was wirelessly transmitted to the computer program developed in open frameworks for further processing. So based on the notable differences in biosignals features observed under the wind and the rain stimuli, first we trained a nonlinear support vector machine classifier to discriminate between wind and rain stimulated biosignal activity. So this was achieved by mapping the signals into a higher dimensional feature space and finding the decision boundary that maximally separated these two classes. And we also trained support vector regression models to predict the wind intensity sensed by the plants as a value between 0 and 255. So there is an RBF kernel that applies to map into biosignal into a high dimensional space, and the algorithm found the best fitting hyperplan that separated the predicted output values from actual output value. And in the last step of the inspection, we implement these AI systems to the plants in the forest. So this hybrid sensing system first classify the environmental information received by plants as either wind or rain based on the biosignals. And if the system detects wind stimulation, it can continue to predict the intensity of the wind. And in the displacement stage, we try to map the natural environment sensed by the plants to an environmental control space within the gallery. So in the forest, there are 4 plants equipped with the hybrid sensing system. And the sensing results will transmit to the indoor space through internet, and controlling the fan system and the rain system to simulate the forest environmental elements in real time. So in the representation stage, we actually set up a sensory space in a gallery. So there is a monitor that real-time streams the environment in the forest, and also the plants' biosignals and the sensing data. So we also built an enclosed environmental control space equipped with 4 fan systems and a very large-scale rain installation. So we invite the viewers to step into this space and directly experience the natural environment sensed by the plants. So as the viewers step into this space, and their sense will synchronize with the plants in the forest, how they can experience the gentle breeze and also the rainwater that the plants perceive. And to summarize, this work positions plants as a kind of subject intelligence that incorporating a post-human perspective, enabling humans to link the natural on the plant's perception beyond species and also the distance. And we also envision that this hybrid sensing system can present a multi-faceted perceptual experience for humans through more artistic expressions in the future. So thank you very much. And if you want to see more our work, you can link to our website and as well as the websites of our research lab. And we greatly appreciate your feedback and encouraging any questions you may have. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup.